Hey, good evening, everyone. Melissa here, coming in to share some more tips, tricks, and training that you can use in your everyday life, in your business, and anywhere else in between. I'm Melissa Kirkpatrick, your business and life coach that's helping you go from stuck to unstoppable, getting that laser focus and accountability that you need so you can scale your business and your life and live the life that you deserve. So tonight we're talking about progress over perfection. Yeah, this has been a big thing for me and for my clients because what I'm recognizing is there's this story, right? The story of it's not perfect. Everything's not going the way I had planned it. It doesn't look like what I intended. You know that feeling? And then there's that feeling of, well, I've been doing it for the past 4 days. Why am I not getting the results? That's like a diet thing, right? Like, I didn't eat any sugar for 4 days. I should be 5 sizes smaller. But that's not how it works. It's progress over perfection. And when you can really shift your mindset into understanding what that truly is, how that feels, what you believe it to be, it's a game changer. And so when you think about, taking those stories that get you stuck and stalled, that get you procrastinating, that makes you feel like nothing is working, it's not moving ahead, take inventory of what you truly have done. Now, what I know to be true is sometimes we don't do the things that we thought we did. Just like eating, for example. You think that you ate really healthy, but if you sit down and start taking inventory of what you had that day, you might find out that you snuck some Twizzlers and you might have drank cream in your coffee, or you had a donut. Like, those are the things that we want to tell ourselves we're not. We're doing everything perfect and nothing's happening, but really there's some underlying things that aren't happening that really starts with you aligning with the progress. What's really happening for you? What's the progress that you've already made? Now, a lot of the programs are 21 days to whatever, for meditation or learning a new skill or a new habit. Well, I'm going to debunk that because 21 days, you're just getting started. You've just scratched the surface. When I work with my clients, I ask them to make a 3-month commitment because I recognize the first 30 days, we're cleaning up a lot of house around underlying beliefs, stories that they've told themselves, identifying things that you've already tried that hasn't worked, aligning what could be better than what maybe you've already tried, and also just looking at what you've already accomplished. The second month's always about really laying down some new tracks, new patterns, and getting yourself focused on what it is you truly desire. And then by month 3, you're putting things into motion, you're seeing the results. And so for me, it's more like a 90-day opportunity. And I know this from working with my accountability clients. So we get up every morning and have that call. We are on I think it's almost day 90. We're like 87 today or something like that. So day 90 is going to be this whole, it's evident now at day 90, being able to look back over the first few months. The first month, the first calls that were missed or the not showing up or not really engaging. If we would have stopped there, this enlightenment and this discovery that we have now would have never been possible. But we stayed in the game. We stayed moving forward. We stayed committed. And even though I'm the coach leading that accountability call, it's still my duty to do that, but I still need that support myself. Having people to, witness me and hold me accountable for getting up and getting them on the call is magical. It really is. And so, as I was saying, we have this opportunity to grow and expand, but sometimes we put limits on ourselves. We think if it's not done in a week or 2, then you've blown the whole thing. It didn't work out as planned. If you didn't get clients knocking down your door in that first promotion that you did, you've done something wrong or you're not good enough to get those clients. It's all about the leveraging your time. The progress is what you're leveraging, not the perfectionism. So if you get up in the morning and you're like, I'm going to call 5 people and sell them my product, and you only called 3, progress. Yay. Celebrate that. If you get up and say, I'm going to call 5 people and you didn't call any, okay, you at least made the conscious decision that you were going to call 5. Let's try that again tomorrow. Call bullshit on yourself. Don't allow yourself to go inside and beat yourself up and just keep thinking that this is not working. This is not for me. I can't do this. And the other thing is, momentum. Think about that. Momentum takes time. It takes forward motion. It takes energy. And if you're not willing to do that, maybe you need to reassess what it is you really want. But if you can just see a glimpse of what it looks like when you actually give yourself permission to celebrate progress, no matter what that looks like. Maybe you put on your exercise clothes and you never made it to the gym. Maybe you said you were only going to eat one piece of that cake and you ate 3. Maybe you said that you weren't going to spend any more money on Amazon and your cart's full of about $200 worth of items. I get that. We all get that. We've been there. We've done that. And the thing is just like launching this new website for myself, that took time. It's been 3 months in the making that this has happened, and it's still not done, but it's to a place where I can put it out there. It's progress. I've made progress, and there's more to be done, but I'm happy with where it's at. And I know the work, the time, the commitment that went behind it, not only for myself, but my team. And so that's what I just want to encourage you today with this message. Don't give up too soon. Really bet on yourself. Know that everything you're doing is in your highest and best good, and it is on purpose, and you are making progress. And as mucky and as dirty and as bad as it looks in this moment, let it go. Talk to someone that can help you see and celebrate those wins of those little tiny steps that you're taking to take action. Show up for you every day. It's YOLO time, girl. It is not one of those dress rehearsal moments. It's time to live your best life. And whatever that is, in relationships, in your health and wellness, in your career, in your yourself, loving yourself, your spirituality, do something every day. I talk about the life wheel, the balanced life wheel. Just do something every day that inches you even closer to what it is that you truly want for your life, and really celebrate that. If you need help, I'm here, and I'm going to keep bringing these powerful messages because I want to get you really thinking about the programming you got going on in there and how you can actually reprogram it just by even listening to these messages. So as always, I hope this is in service to you. I'm going to send you some more light and lots of love, because I know the value in just knowing someone hears you, someone gets you, someone sees you, and someone is there to help you. But let's start with you. Make those steps towards the direction where progress is better than perfection. Just get started. Take the first step. That's all for now. So have an amazing rest of the evening, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.